Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have a project share. I made this loaded envelope with a paper blush glam, and this is for a swap with my friend Cecile. Cuckoo Cecile, and she's from France. So this loaded envelope will go all the way to France. And I will share with you only the handmade stuff. And I'm going to put a link of her YouTube channel in the description box so you can go visit her. I made a tutorial of this loaded envelope and I like it because it can stand and then it can be useful for reusing and save some stuff like for storage. So I made this one with a heavy cardstock and 110 pounds, and I decorated with a paper. Okay, as you can see, it looks like this. Then on the side looks like this, and this is the back. Okay, and now I'll show you what is in there. Here I decorated one clothespin, and I had this clothespin in my stash. It was pink, and I put washi tape and then these pearls, and then I used tulle and a bow that I bought at Ali, and I will put the links of some stuff in the description box, like this one too. See, and it looks so delicate, right? So she can use that. Then right here I made a tag, and for this tag, because she's in Paris, I put the Eiffel Tower. See, and I decorated with some pearls, and this rosette that I had in my stash, and this one that's from Ali. Then this one is from Ali as well, and that die, and I put some banners behind, and then this is seam binding, and this one is from Hobby Lobby. So in the back I just put another cutout so she can save some memories or something in there, and then I cover right here the holes with pearls, and then I put 3 more pearls. And this one was a die cut that I was even swapped before. So this is how it looks, my tag. Then these are embellishments that I made using my molds, my silicone molds, and these are painted with gesso. She can paint it over with metallic paint if she wants, and this is how it looks. So she can make embellishments. Then I made this pinwheel, and for this pinwheel I used this paper straw from Ali, and then I put 2, and I put one of these embroidery hearts, and this is at the back. Then I am sending her, this one is a marker. It's a fine point marker pen, and I just put this glittery ribbon on top so it can look fancier. And I don't have the link for these pens because this was from eBay a long time ago. And then I am sending her some of these embroidery embellishments that she can use. And I made the bows in the packages, and then I cut the border with a set of dies that I have from Ali as well. Then right here I made some paper clip embellishments, and as you can see right here I used some laces and everything that I had in my stash. See these butterflies, looks so cute, right? So these are embellishments that you can reuse, and right here more of the bows, and as you can see this is for the paper clip, how it's going to look. Then I made this one, and this one is a rosette that I made first, and then I covered with these dies. Okay, and it's the same die on top and on the back. Then I cut a circle and I used the scissors, the decorative scissors, and I cut around. And this one was from the paper pad that I used, blush glam, and it says shine bright. And I put two right here, a rosette and this embellishment. And right here I put a mixture of seam binding and tulle and this trim that I like it, and this rose that I bought from Ali. Then paper straw in pink, and it looks so cute, so delicate. And the last thing that I have made for the loaded envelope is this one. And I have a tutorial of this, and this is one of the pages for a mini album that I made. And I'm going to put a link of that in the description box as well. So there will be the link of how to make the loaded envelope and how to make this one. Okay, this is just one of the pages, the tutorials in there, and I just decorated this way. I did it before for a swap, and I put goodies in there. So if you like it, you just check my other video. Okay, so for this one I have the, it's kind of a booklet. It's I made like a booklet, and I decorated with these two banners from the paper pad, and this one, everything was from the paper pad. And this is 2 layers of papers and this bow, and I have these metal corners that I bought at Ali. These are very small ones, but it fits perfect for something small like this booklet. And this is seam binding, and at the back, see, I decorated with these two that are from Ali as well. Okay, and the corners. The only thing that you have to do is when I show, I just made one score mark, but in this one I made 2 more score marks on the sides. So you just have to make one score mark of 1/4 of an inch on each side, and it can expand when you put stuff inside. Okay, so, and I made it with paper. Okay, this is the scrapbooking paper. So you open, and inside I just cover right here with more paper, so she can reuse this one, and maybe she can make a brag mini album or something. And I put this, I use dies to make these pockets, and I'm sending her some of these tags that came in the paper pad. See, and this one. Then in the other side, it's a beautiful day, top 5 things, and today will be the day. Okay, so I'm sending those, and then right here I put a goodie, and this is just decoration that she can put on a mini album, on a card, on a tag, anywhere. Okay, this is just the background, and I decorated like this, and I just wanted to show her how she can use this die because I'm sending her this die. Okay, then on the other side, I'm sending her a lot of die cuts that she can play with, and it's going to be fun for her. And I like this one because she can reuse them. She can put mats inside with pictures. She can put pictures here and some tags here, and it can be nice for her to keep it. Okay, so the last thing is just to show you how this one can look like a storage. When it's empty, she can reuse this one and have it stand, and she can fill it maybe with some pens and then notes, paper pads, sticky pads or something, and reuse it. I think it's beautiful. I hope she likes it. It's a lot of gold, but everybody likes gold, right? Another thing that I made for her is this stand, and this is a paper clip that I decorated like a purse, and I had this flower. It's an embroidery flower in my stash, and I put a pearl, I put some tulle, and then this bow, and it can hold a card. I just made this card so she can see that she can put a picture or something on top, but this is it, and this is how it looks on the back. See, and right here says you make me smile, and I put this embroidery butterfly with this rose on top, and it looks so gorgeous. That's what I think. And this is the card I made, and I used a paper from a paper pad that was called Paris, and this is one of the images that looks like a background. So because she's in France, I just put this a little doll like it's me, and I'm saying hello. So I hope she likes it. And then I put this one that looks like a firework or something, and this one in the center. Those are the only embellishments. And these are dies that I bought from Ali as well. Okay, so these are all the stuff that I made for her, and I hope she likes it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.